Okay, so these are the keys, a lot of them. The book for the keys. Okay, the pit never used in the box. This one never open. The other pits, the manual pits, I don't know if you can see or no, but yeah, they are there. The machine. Okay, the machine have two functions: electric automatic or manual automatic. So this is in manual. I don't think you will use it, but I'll just show you. And to go to electric, you need to push this out, so it's coming to electric, and then we just put both keys here, there, go back, sorry, I have two hands, hold it for a second, and then we will start, you see, and there it's moving to make the copy, automatic, and takes 10-15 seconds to copy a key. Say he finish, and then you turn around the key and do it again. So yeah, the only little thing they have is this plastic for static, and this one here, but it's only plastic static. They happen when the delivery bring it like that. And yeah, I use it maybe 10 times to copy a key just at home. The idea was make a business, but didn't happen, so I better sell it. Okay, I hope this helped for you. Little everywhere. And I will show you the teeth. I put it. They are new. Yeah, pretty much new. I don't know if you can see or not, but yeah, they're really no one missing. Everything is there. Yeah. Okay. Hope this helps.